We are representing the Filipino Club. We're trying to promote like the UNESCO heritage sites in the Philippines. We have activities here like it's a modern one. It's the baybayin, the ethnic letters. But what we do is we try to print it so that students will have like a souvenir.
So we have here a palamig, and also we have puto right here, and also the most famous food during birthdays, parties, the lumpiang Shanghai.
This is called the lit chart. So this is kind of a chart where there is a filling of potato at the bottom. Then we have an amazing activity over here. So it is spin the wheel. So you spin the wheel, you get a category, and we will ask you a simple question about that particular category. If you answer that correctly, you get an amazing keychain.
So we are from the Hispanic Club. So we have Learn Spanish. We have Guess the Tourist, where we have like Easter Island, Patagonia. We also have Find the Cities, and we have to guess the country and show us where it's in the map. We have empanadas. We have chicha morada that is from Peru.
So we are presenting some traditional Asian Chinese handwriting here, so we can let students try how the Asian Chinese people used to write. And we have some candies, traditional Chinese candies, and this means luck in China, so I want students all to have the luck.
First, we got the pearl milk tea. So this one is more like the creamy ones. For this one is wintermelon lemon tea. We also have like the candies for people to try. And we also have the paper lantern making.
Welcome to Tunisia. So we do have a small gift as a keychain. It's made out of wood, so this goes together. It have engravings or different aspects that I wanted to highlight of the country. In terms of the food, I try to make something spicy. This is called harissa. It's something that we use a lot in my home country. Basically, we put it in everything. It's something spicy. We do have halwa shamaya as well. It's something sweet. I do have the plain one and the pistachio one. You can put them like in sweet crackers.
So here we are raising awareness of what the International Development Institute does. So that's kind of linking education and employment within our partner countries. So we're just trying to spread that message to students so they are aware of who we are, what we do, and hopefully get involved in the future as well.